Hello coders, from this video I am going to explain you different parameters of read underscore CSV like nrows, use calls, skip rows, index underscore call, header, names, prefix and dtype. Now let's get started with nrows. So number of rows of file to read, useful for reading pieces of large files. So please remember, even before loading all the data into your RAM, it is always a good practice to test your functions and workflows using a small dataset. And pandas have made it easier to choose precise number of rows. Please remember, in the most of the cases for testing purpose, we don't need to load all the data. A small can do just fine. So now for that, we are going to use nrows. Now, as you can see over here, currently I am on pandas.pydata.org. Now, nrows, which is integer and which is also optional. So number of rows of file to read, useful for reading pieces of large files. Now let I show you this practically in the Jupyter notebook. So now let I first import pandas as pd. Now you can take the help with help of this help function with pd read underscore csv without parenthesis and press shift enter. Now you can see the documentation of read underscore csv. As I said, you can take the help from pandas.pydata.org. Now let I show you read underscore csv. So data is equal to pd dot read underscore csv. Now in my case, my csv file is available in my D drive, in my machine learning folder, which contains ML folder, which contains DS folder. In that I want to read this mark.csv. So now first of all let I copy this path and paste it over here. After that we have to write the file name that you can see over here. Here you can right click and copy your file name and paste it over here and write .csv. In any case, if there is any error, then you can write this double backward slash. Now you can see my file is successfully printed over here. Now press shift tab to check the different parameters. In this video I am going to explain you nrows that you can see over here, nrows, which is of integer. Here you can write number of rows that you want to read from your data set. Now you can see 1 row, 5 rows of your data set that you can see over here. It will just read number of rows as you provided over here. Thank you for watching.